Hi everyone, today we're cooking spring rolls. So for our ingredients, I have a kilo of pork mince, banana prawns, 4 chopped carrots into small pieces, 3 chopped onions, 2 eggs. So we're just going to use the egg yolk, and then salt and pepper. I have sesame oil, coriander, and spring roll pastry. As you can see, I've already put all the ingredients into our pork mince. So I'm only using the egg yolk, and then the egg white, we're going to use it later on, and a bit of sesame oil. So this one that you see now is our banana prawns chopped into small pieces, just like our carrots and our onions. So I've already boiled them first in water for a couple of minutes and then chop them, and then we're gonna mix it together. So if you want that extra flavor on your spring rolls, you must have banana prawns. Otherwise, if you don't have banana prawns, it's not a big deal. You can just go with the mince, that's fine. So with our spring roll pastry, instead buying of the small one or the medium one, I usually buy the big pastry and then cut it into 2 cuts. So we'll make it 4. So instead of having 30 pieces of spring rolls, we have, or we can make 120 pieces of spring rolls, which is really good. So the egg white, that's the one we're going to use to stick our spring rolls together. So don't throw the egg white, okay? So here is our large spring roll pastry that's been cut into 2 cuts. So now we can make 120 pieces of spring rolls. Because we're actually going to do 120 pieces of spring rolls. Just make sure that you just get what you need from the spring roll pastry, and then just make sure that after that you put in the plastic again and cover it with some towels. This will make sure that our pastry will not get dried and become hard and become too brittle to roll. So just make sure you cover it with the towel. And here it is, our 120 pieces of spring rolls. So I forgot to mention from the start, before you roll the spring rolls, just make sure you taste one first, so you can still make that adjustment from the start and then continue rolling the rest of your spring rolls. So this one, I have put them in the container already, and I'm gonna put them in the freezer, and then when I want spring roll, they're ready. I can just take them out and they're ready to serve. And here it is, our spring rolls with lettuce, tossed lettuce, and special sauce. If you have any questions, feel free to drop me a message below. And thanks for watching, everyone.